Part 6, Basic Computation, Bwriter, Abacus, and Calculator. Example 2.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to have you go down one line on your Bwriter, and we're going to go on to the next problem. Okay, I'm going to start it in the same way. Let's review the sequence, okay? We're going to set it on our place value board, and I'm actually going to give you the one that just has to hundreds on
The
it.
teacher puts a new insert in the tray.
So you have 3 slots, okay? See the difference? The other one went up to what?
Thousands.
The other one went up to thousands, and we're just going to work up to hundreds now, okay? We're going to, as a review, we're going to set it on the board, make sure we write down what we're doing so we don't forget and lose track and get careless, okay?
Yeah.
And we're going to go on to some much harder numbers now, okay? All right, here we go.
194.
Oh, we'll see, Smarty Pants, won't we? Let's see. I'm going to give you many cubes this time, okay?
The teacher puts cubes in the tray with the 3
And
slots.
what I would like you to do is set 344 for me, please. 344.
Put 3 cubes in the
Whoops.
hundreds.
Uh-huh.
Turn it off.
Turn it off. That's a good idea.
So it doesn't run out of batteries.
That's the on. There's the off. There you go.
Put 3 cubes in the hundreds.
Okay.
For the number 300.
Uh-huh.
Allie puts 3 cubes in the 100 slot.
Then put 4 cubes.
Okay.
4 cubes in the tens.
Allie actually puts 7 cubes in the 10 slot.
4 cubes in the 10 for 40.
Mm-hmm.
Allie puts more cubes in the 10 slot and pushes some towards the top.
Now,
Do you have more than 4 in your tens?
yep.
Yeah, you have a party in your tens here. Let's take care of this, okay? You've got too many.
3.
Allie checks the cubes, but doesn't move any out of the 10 slot.
Oh, this is confusing.
Okay, we've got the 300. Your hundreds are good. Your tens are in the middle. Let's clear those out. Too many people.
Allie grabs a couple of cubes and puts them away.
There it is.
Allie is taking all of the cubes out of the 10 slot.
Let's clean out the people we didn't invite. Okay.
They just invited themselves.
They did. But now you have no one. How many do you need there?
Oh, no.
She grabs 4 cubes and places
You're
them in the
making
10
them work
slot.
hard on yourself.
41.
344, actually, is the number we're looking for.
Allie grabs cubes from the bin.
Okay, we got it. Now, you do have one uninvited person up here. Can you please send them home? Thank you. Okay, now, 344. How would you, if that were money, like dollars and cents, how would you say it?
$3.44.
You are so loud today. I'm proud of you. Nice loud voice. What 200s is that between 344?
300 and 400.
Okay, good. 344, that 44 is between what 2 tens?
40 and 50.
Okay. What would it round to the nearest 10?
340.
340. But you've got secret how many this time?
4.
Yeah, take those secret 4 and push them up so we don't
She
forget.
pushes the cubes to the
Okay.
top of the slot.
All right, let's write this down. Let's write this in our Bwriter. Let's write our number down so we don't forget it.
Dollar sign, number sign. 3.40.
Well,
44.
4, right. Okay. This time I'm going to make it a little harder, okay?
Yeah.
Your total, ma'am, comes to 344, and you hand the cashier a $5 bill. That's all you have. You don't have any other money. So hand me your $5, please.
Allie slaps the teacher's hand 5 times.
Okay, and write it down so you don't forget it. How much money? Because you want to know how much money you're going to get back from the cashier. You don't want to get
Write
shortchanged.
the answer or the.
How much money did you just give me, the
5.
cashier? Write that down so you don't forget.
Do I need dollar sign?
You wrote the dollar sign on the other number, so that's okay. You know we're talking about dollars.
5.00.
Okay. Now, this is where we are estimating and our counting up is going to come in handy, okay? We said 344 rounded to the nearest 10 was what?
340.
Okay. We need to count up, not to 4, but to what?
5.
Okay. 340 to 4, now that I've done all this talking, you probably got that figured out.
60.
Okay. But you forgot your secret 4.
Oh, God.
subtract that secret 4.
56.
Okay, but we only counted up to 4. We need to go up to 5. So go up from 4 to 5. One more dollar. Oh, tricky, huh?
I don't know.
Add a dollar to your 56 cents.
66.
No, a dollar. You added a dime.
I don't know.
Okay. Well, we'll work through it, okay? 50, we counted up from 3.44 to 4, which was 56 cents. Now, just erase that out of your mind and think about this in a different way. We're going to erase that, okay? How much, if we count up to from $4 to $5, how much should we count up?
We'd count about
Or,
4 to 5.
oh, or what's that called?
Dollar.
Dollar. So we've got the dollar. Okay, now go back plus the 56 cents. So it will be $1.
56.
Okay, that was a little harder. I think I got you on that one. All right, let's write it on our Bwriter, and this time I'm going to help you write it how print people write it. Oh, and then we're going to check it on the Abacus and the calculator.
Do I
okay?
return twice?
Yes, return twice, and we're going to start on a fresh line. Okay. And we're going to leave a couple spaces in between so we don't get confused. Now, do print people write it, most of the time print people write it going which way?
Up and down.
Up and down. Okay, go ahead and do your dollar sign.
That's 4.
Now, I noticed that you're putting a number sign in there. You don't have to do that because we know we're talking about dollars and nemeth, okay?
Okay.
So, how much did you give me? How much did you give the cashier?
5.
Okay, so you're going to do your dropped 5. And what?
Point.
0,
0.
Good. Okay, now this is where it gets tricky, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to go down to the next line and bring your cursor all the way back. Oh, don't yawn. No yawning. Okay, now what are we doing in this problem? Are we subtracting or adding?
Subtracting.
We're subtracting. Okay, good. We need to write a minus sign, and we need the 3 of the next number to line up right underneath the 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to find that 5 with your left hand and move your cursor using your right hand till it's right underneath the 5. Is it lined up?
Now it is.
Let me see. It looks like it's lined up. It's actually under the decimal point right now. So you're going to back up 1. Back up one more time. Whoops. Back up. Okay. Now let's write the number we have set on our tray. What's our number set on the tray?
Allie checks the number on the tray.
3. 4, 4.
Okay. Let's write that down. No, you don't need, all you need to do is just do the 3 at this point, okay? So drop your 3. And your decimal point. And then 1. Okay. Okay, now the last part of the tricky part of lining it up vertically, we need to go down one more time, bring our cursor all the way back home, and do a line of 3 sixes, okay? Oh my goodness, I know. Okay, oh, that's good. We're going into the next problem there. Okay, so when print people write it, we don't do it like this very often, but this is just so you know, okay? When print people write it, they write it going up and down.
It's actually too much of the line.
And our line we got a little carried away with the line. So what do you think? Is it easier to write it going up and down or left and right?
Left and right.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay, let's now, hopefully we didn't lose track of the problem that we're doing on the Abacus. We've got it written going vertically. What is the problem that we're going to check on our Abacus?
$5 minus 3.44.
Okay, and how would you say that without dollars?
500 minus 344.
All right, let's check that. This is going to be a hard one too. You might need some assistance with this one. On the Abacus first, lady. You need to clear your number first. All right, let's go to work. You got that Abacus brain on?
Yep.
Okay, let's try it.
$3
Whoops, what's the problem?
Allie refers
Oh.
back to the problem in the Braille writer.
$5.
Okay. Or, okay, minus what?
Minus 344.
All right.
344.
Let's take a look here. I want to hear that chatty Barbie, okay?
Yep.
All right, let's hear it.
Minus 300. Don't have 300. So we add,
You're subtracting.
subtract 500.
You're on the right track.
Then add 200.
Okay, excellent.
Then we need to subtract 44. Don't have 40. So add,
We're
oh
subtracting.
my God, skip again. Subtract a 10.
That's not a 10. What is that called? What column is it in?
The tens.
No, it's not. Look carefully.
The hundreds.
It's in the hundreds, right. And we want to subtract 40, but do we have any 40s to subtract?
No.
Is 50? 50 is not available either. 50 is on a phone call. So we need to go to hundreds, okay?
Yeah.
So talk your way through it. I helped you with that part. So subtract that 100, but we only wanted to subtract 40. So now what do we add in our tens column?
60.
Excellent, okay. And what do we want to subtract again from our ones column?
Allie again refers to the problem in the Braille writer.
4.
All right.
We have to subtract the 10 because we don't have 4.
Mm-hmm.
And add 6.
All right. Okay, what'd you get?
Allie reads the answer from the Abacus.
No, right here.
$1 and 56 cents.
Is that what we got before?
Yeah.
All right, smarty pants, let's check it on the calculator over to your left. And then I will show you how to line it up vertically, okay?
Allie turns the calculator on, then refers to the problem in the Braille writer.
It's because we have the paper here.
Good thing we have it written down. You're right.
$5.
Mm-hmm.
5.00 minus
Minus $3.44.
3.44 equal 1.56.
I got it right.
Oh, you got it right. Okay, I'm going to save the 5 for after we line it up because that's going to be the hard part, okay? We're on the next line. What I need you to do is take the cursor and send it home. Okay. You need to line your cursor up. You're going to have to use both hands. You use your left hand to find your dollars column, which is the 5 and the 3, and your right hand needs to move that cursor over to the right till it's lined up directly underneath it. Use your cursor. There you go. Ah, we passed it. You passed it.
Right here.
Space over one more to the right. Okay. So, and this is where we write our answer. Our answer was 156. So we're going to write the 1, our decimal point, our 5, and our 6. And you're lined up perfectly now.
I made the line too long.
Okay, that's all right. Don't forget your decimal point, okay?
Okay.
All right.
$1? Or no?
No, just do 1.
No numbers on right.
Go ahead and write it because we know we're in the problem.
1, 5 decimal point,
Decimal point.
5, 6.
All right.